I'm in the car again. I just picked my husband up from dropping off our car at this local mechanics shop. He gets in the car and he says, well, that woman was, I thought he was going to say great or a delight or something. And he said, she was definitely not the bluebird of happiness. He said, sure made me feel welcome as a customer, sarcastically. He gets in the car and he says, yeah, I walked in and there was this young woman, she's probably in her 30s, and she's over there washing off something or wiping off something, he said, kind of half-heartedly. And she didn't greet him. She, after a bit, looked over her shoulder at him and said, I'll be with you in a minute. Oh my gosh, first off, a customer is more important than wiping off a counter. And then he said she turned around, proceeded to continue to half wash this counter stuff off. And then he moved up to the front desk, and so she came over and said, how could I, what do you need, or something like that. And I thought, oh my gosh, yeah, he wants to order pizza. I mean, come on, he's here dropping his car off. What do you think he needs? Wow, it was not a great experience. I thought, people, we can do so much better, so much better. It only takes a little bit of effort. It takes training staff to look at the customer and training staff to know that the task is not more important than the person. The person who just walked in is the priority. Show them this video. What I want to do is to go up to that woman and in a nice way and say, hey, it's obviously you really don't like your job. So you could do everyone and this business a financial favor if you found something that really brings you joy, because I know there's a place that does. There is a place for that person that would bring them joy and that would light their fire, and that would be a good fit. And it's apparently not at this place. So we can do better. We can do better. We can make people's day and make good business for money. I mean, good money for business.